Hi everyone, welcome to Manju's Study Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about the voices. Voices are of two types. One is active voice and another one is passive voice. Active voice contains the active part of the sentence in the beginning. For example, the headmaster appreciated the students. Here, the headmaster is the active part with respect to the verb appreciated. And in second example is his father scolded him. Here, his father is the active part with respect to the verb scolded. So these two statements are active voices. Let us discuss about passive voice. Passive voice contains the passive or inactive part in the beginning of the statement. For example, the students were appreciated by the headmaster. Here, the students is inactive part with respect to the verb appreciated. Second example is that he was scolded by his father. Here, he is the inactive part with respect to the verb scolded. So, these two statements are passive voices. Let us discuss about change of active voice to passive voice of simple past tense sentences. The active voice of simple past tense sentences contain active part called subject at the first, then past tense verb, and inactive part what is called object at the last. For example, the police caught the thief. Here, the police is the subject, caught is the past tense of catch, and the thief is the object. And the second example, Manoj kicked the ball. Here, Manoj is the subject, kicked is the past tense of kick, and the object is the ball. The passive voice of these sentences contain inactive part. The first was for singular or were for plural, and V3 past participle, then by finally active part at the last. For example, the thief was caught by the police. And the second example is that the ball was kicked by Manoj. Here in these two statements, the thief and the ball are the inactive parts of the respective sentences. Caught and kicked are the past participles. Let us see some more examples. I did it, active voice. I is the subject, did is the verb, and it is the object. It was done by me. Here I becomes me. Look at the second example. Vikram Sarabhai established ISRO. Vikram Sarabhai is the subject, established is the verb, and ISRO is the object. The passive voice is ISRO was established by Vikram Sarabhai. Next example is my friend ate 20 chapatis. Here my friend is subject, ate is the action word verb, and 20 chapatis is a object. 20 chapatis were eaten by my friend is the passive voice. Next example is the peon opened the gate. Here the peon is the subject active part, opened is the past tense of open, and the gate is the object. The gate was opened by the peon is the passive voice. The next example is the cat killed the mouse. Here the cat is the subject, killed is the past tense of kill, and the mouse is the object. The passive voice is the mouse was killed by the cat. The following changes can take place when the pronoun of active voice is written in passive form. I becomes me, he becomes him, they becomes them, she becomes her, we becomes us. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe my channel.